Varun Beverage is the largest franchisee for PepsiCo outside America. They operate in India as well as internationally. My name is Manoj Donde. I am heading the plant operation Varun Beverage Supa. In India, we have got almost more than 30 plants which manufacture the CSD product, juice product, value-added dairy product and water bottle product for a complete pan-India operation. Varun Beverage Supa is committed to manufacture, distribute and sell the safe and wholesome product to the consumer. And in this, secondary packaging plays a very critical role. So for which Robopac and OCME is helping us to get the robust equipment to deliver those secondary packaging standards for India, and this is really helping us to ship our product up to the crossing almost 1,000 kilometer across the India with the good efficiency of the equipment.